Have you grown a chives herb plant before? It's an excellent herb variety that's easy to grow and offers a mild onion flavor when used in foods. If grown without harvesting long enough, chives will produce pinkish-purple flowers atop its leaves, but you can always trim the plant back to the ground multiple times per growing season to ensure a fresh supply of leaves all season long. Chives herb plants grow to a mature height of 24 inches tall and spread 16 inches wide and are hardy in zones 3 through 8. Here are our 3 tips to growing the healthiest chives herb plants. 1. Grow your chives plant in a spot that receives 6 or more hours of sunlight each day. 2. Fertilize your herb once you transplant it and then again every 4 weeks. And 3. Keep the soil around your plant moist to ensure proper watering. Too much water or too little will have adverse effects. Chives are high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and calcium and possess antibacterial and anti-fungal properties. It's best when used fresh in soups, salads, on baked potatoes, cheeses, and so much more. Chives herb is a kitchen's dream come true.